Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to enable video info cards on YouTube. At first, let us see what is video info cards on YouTube. Log into your YouTube account if you are not already logged in. For the demo purpose, let's open a video in which video info cards are added.
How to send your location.
Click the More button in the video description section. Scroll down. As you can see, video info cards are added in this video, but the I button is not showing on the video player. To enable this setting, click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the page. Select Settings from the menu. In the left sidebar, click on Playback and Performance. In the Info Card section, check the box beside the text Show in-video info cards. That's it. Changes has been saved. Now go back to the video and hit refresh.
How to send your location.
As you can see, I button started appearing on the video player. If you click on the I button, video info cards will be shown to you. Not just this video, I button will be shown to you in all the videos in which video info cards are added. This is how you can enable video info cards on YouTube. Thank you for watching.